Hello, this is Mark Simulis, and this is video evidence that my BCAN exercise bike purchased on Amazon is defective. I'm the one who installed it. There's no tension whatsoever, and no matter how much I turn the tension up, no resistance. Turn it all the way up so it can't turn anymore. There's a tiny bit of resistance, tiny, but it should be near impossible to spin. So thank you for sending me a replacement. I apologize. This bike should be a lot more difficult to turn the pedals. So thank you very much.